Day 8 of the Larry Millete murder trial, and the lead detective on the case takes the witness stand and talks to the jury about the early days of the investigation into Maya's disappearance.
News 8's Kelly Hassedal joining us live from the South Bay Courthouse with everything we've learned here today. Kelly.
That's right, and Detective Jesse Vincente took the witness stand this morning about 9:30, and he's walking the jury through different surveillance video that was gathered near the Millete residence back in January of 2021. So he's talking about how there were hundreds of hours of footage from January 7th, the day Maya disappeared, to January 10th, a few days later, and he said he went through all of this video clip by clip and pulled out the best clips available. And the most striking part of his testimony so far, he says they gathered footage of Maya Millete enter her home January 7th of 2021 at 4:43 p.m., but he never saw her leave the home again. The prosecution had him repeat this more than once during his testimony to really hit the point home. Now, they played the video clips for the jury in court, and I can tell you the jury is very attentive looking at the screen, particularly since, according to the prosecution, these are the last images ever taken of Maya before she disappeared. Now, he also walked the jury through how he gathered this video, which homes they came from, which vantage points they show, how he organized the video in chronological order. And this may be because the defense may question how this video was gathered and how it was put together. So back out here live right now, they're looking at surveillance video from January 8th, the day after Maya disappeared. And some of that video includes Larry backing his Lexus into the driveway at about 6 a.m. that morning, and then leaving the residence about 45 minutes later, and then he doesn't return home until 12 hours later. So we're going to have much more on the detective's testimony coming up in later editions of News 8. Kelly Hassedal, News 8.